All right. I'm about to start the timer, okay?
Okay.
Is everybody in the center they need to be?
Yes.
All right. Oh,
How much centimeters
You're
do I
right.
think the board is?
All right, guys.
I gotta go get my ruler. I think the centimeter on my board will be like 29 centimeters. Yeah, 29 centimeters.
All right, guys. So, we've been going over how to measure with inches and meters. So, I have a couple of things that I want you guys to measure. Today, and we're going to measure. Huh?
Are we gonna use the other timer?
No, we're not going to use the other timer. We're going to measure a couple of things.
Why
Okay?
you gotta use my phone?
Because it's right here. All right.
Feeling so thin.
So, everybody can stand up if you want to, so you can move around. We're going to, first of all, make a chart, and it's going to say E and M. We're going to do estimate and measure. So, write this on your board. Angel, write this on your board.
I can't get my top on.
Write this. What is the E for?
My top won't come out.
What is the E for? What is estimate? Estimate. To make a guess, right? And then what does measure mean? What we actually measured, right?
We measure something like
Yes.
we measure like. You're so fast.
We're going to use the estimate and measure, and we're going to use inches. We're going to use inches, okay? What is our estimate for this one? For how many inches do you think this bottle is? Don't measure it yet. How many? What do you think your estimate is for inches?
Can I measure it?
Not, yeah, you can measure when we make it before we make after we make an
I
estimate.
think that would be like. I think that would be 20.
Inches? Not centimeters. I know we went over centimeters, but we're doing inches.
And then inches, I think it would be 12.
12 inches? Okay.
Two.
I'm going to say about 10 inches.
I think so. 4.
For the inches?
I think 11 inches.
Okay.
9 inches, I think.
9 inches. So write your estimate on your board. What did you say, Cassidy?
7 inches.
7 inches? Write your estimate.
I said 12.
What was your estimate, Angel? 9? Write 9 then. Don't write 10. Cassidy's going to measure it.
Yeah, Cassie.
Let's see how much it is. How much is it? How many inches? Yeah, you're inches.
Oh, that's centimeters.
No, not centimeters, you need inches. Okay.
Girl, you're on inches. That is that.
Yeah, do it that way so it's easier to see. What do you think it is? From up here. Good.
10.
10. Oh, my estimate was right.
Same.
10 inches. Yours was, both of you guys were close. You were one off, you were one off too. You were 2 off, but it was still good. Inches.
That was so close.
What about this
Well, you
one?
got 112.
How many inches do you think this one is?
No, 7. I got it. I think 7.
7.
So it's not.
What do you think?
I get it wrong. When I get it right. We're gonna go around, right?
Yeah?
5.
5. Okay. I'm going to go with you. I think it's about 5 inches for that.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
Yay, Yamalia.
How many inches do you think that is? Write your estimate.
No,
Estimate is just a guess, so it doesn't have to be right.
it's 6.
6. Close.
So close. We missed by 1.
1 point. Okay.
So I get another one. That was so close. No, I put my W. I got it right.
Good.
I got it wrong. Oh, 6.
Are we okay? This is the whole
I got it
bunch.
right.
What do you think this one is?
I think I
For this, from
My
this side to
estimate
this
is
side.
6 inches. Can what did I measure it?
Yeah. What do you guys think this one is?
Um,
From this point to this point.
Kevin, you measure it.
What do you know? Let's make our estimate first, guys. What do you think the estimate is?
I think it will be.
What do you think your estimate is?
I think it will be.
Angel, what's your estimate for this? From this point to this point, how many inches?
I think it will be 20. I said 20. 10.
Hmm? What do you think? 6? I'm gonna go with 8.
I'm gonna go with 10.
What are you gonna go with, Angel? No, don't measure it yet. Don't measure it yet.
I'm gonna go with 10.
Guys, stop. We're not playing. Have a seat, Cassidy. Or just stand over there by your desk because we're gonna let Kevin measure it. What do you think it is?
Kevin's measure.
No, Kevin. This way, from here to here. Flip your ruler over. Turn it this way.
Was I right? Yes. What is it? It's 10.
It's 10.
I got it right.
We were close.
I got it right. Oh. But I got it right. So we got 10 minutes. I got
Okay.
it right too.
This is our last thing that we're doing. What's your estimate for this one? This small little thing. How many inches do you think this is? I like how Angel's using his fingers to kind of think about how big the thing is and then make an estimate that way. What do you think, Angel?
It's 2 inches. What is it measuring?
This? What do you think? What's your estimate?
I think it's like 3 inches.
I think so too, like 3 inches. So here you go, Angel. Measure it. Measure the little elephant.
The little elephant. So it was 2 inches.
He was right. It was 2
That's
inches. Good. So we're making an estimate. It is okay if it's wrong. We just want it to be close. Like earlier we were doing the pen and the eraser. We were saying it was 7 centimeters, but was the eraser only 10 centimeters, right?
This will not count, especially if it's a horn.
All right. Good. All right. Have a seat, everybody.
Okay. Here.
Okay. Now we're going to talk about when to use inches and when to use feet. Okay. So when we use inches, we use inches for something small. Show me inch. Show me feet. Show me yard. Yard. All right. So when will we use an inch? What object will we use to make to find it?
I know we're gonna use small things. We can do
Small things like what?
We can use the elephant.
Like the elephant, the paper clip,
Or a pencil like this.
the pencil. What else? What is this?
Eraser.
Yeah. Would we use inches to find the size of the door? What would we use that would help us better? Meter or what's the other? Yards or feet. That would be easier. All right. What, like, say if I was trying to measure this right here. Could I do it in feet? Yes, I could. Would it take longer?
Wait, where am I? No, if you did it in inches, it would take longer.
It would take longer. But if I use it in yards, would it take as long?
No, but
Why would it not take as long?
it would not take us long because it's a big stick.
It's a bigger.
No,
it's a bigger
the one
measure
that's
of
over
it.
there, the one that's over there next to mine and yours is longer.
They're the same size. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought when me and Tasha were doing measuring in our classroom, and we thought hers was bigger than mine.
No, 1 meter and 1 yard are the same.
Oh.
Yes, because they're both 3 feet.
That was yesterday when we were here.
That was yesterday when I wasn't here.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
And we didn't get into that. There's a lot of phone stuff going on.
All right.
We didn't get into a fight.
All right, so we're gonna do. Let's watch this video real quick.
On your iPad.
On my iPad, we're gonna take another look. Watch a video from Savaz. Can everybody see?
Yeah. Miss Bonnie's crazy. Yes, ma'am. Timer's running out. That's
To
7
measure
minutes.
the lengths of things, you can use a ruler like this one right here. And here's a paper clip. Place it against the ruler. And we see it's about 1 inch long. This hammer right here, put it against the ruler. And it's about 12 inches, which is the same as 1 foot. And this window, it's going to be pretty big. So let's measure it using a yardstick. It's good for measuring things longer than a foot. It looks like it's about 36 inches, which is the same as 3 feet long. And 3 feet is the same as 1 yard. So,
So we know that 1 foot is how many inches?
1, 2, 2.
Not 2.
1 yard.
Not 1.
2.
12. 12. 1 ruler and 1 foot is about 12 inches. Do you see the 12 inches right here?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, this way. 12 inches right here. That's 1 foot, right? 3 of these. Put yours up here next to mine, Cassidy. Put yours next to mine, Jemiah. This is the same as how many feet? 1, 2, 3. 3 feet equal
1 yard.
1 yard.
It can be a yard.
1 yard, yes. 3 feet can equal 1 yard. And if we have 3 feet and they're all 12 inches, 12, plus 12. What's 12 plus 12? What's 12 plus
34. 34. 32.
24. 4 and 2. Then we add another 12.
Ooh.
Oh, wait. What's 4 plus 2? Girls, what's 4 plus 2? 4 plus 2 is what? 6. Plus, sorry, that's 2.
36.
36. So how many inches is in 3 feet? 36
inches.
Good. Good. All right, so today we're going to play the quick little game. I'm going to see, don't erase it until I look at it. We're going to measure the inch one. Okay, we're going to measure it with our ruler and we're going to use inches. So, let's first do the first one. I'm going to do the first one with you. Look.
It looks like a dad.
Yeah. How many inches is this one? Look at your ruler. Get your ruler out,
I'm
Kevin.
gonna make an estimate.
We can make an estimate. What's your estimate?
There's only 2 boys and 2 girls.
6. 6 inches.
Because give you cheat.
Angel,
Give you cheat.
are you paying attention? Cassidy, are you paying attention? How many inches is it?
It's 6 inches.
6.
Unless if you had
Do you see me over here? Okay. 6 inches.
I think it'll be the same with you.
All right.
Maya.
Centimeters would be different because centimeters are smaller than inches. So how many inches? How many centimeters would that be? 14. Yes. All right. So now I want you guys to try it on all of these using inches. Don't use centimeters. Use inches.
To me and Cassie.
I don't think I have enough for the same color. Here.
Okay.
Here. I want you to try it. Write your answers under here. On those lines, write your answers for each of your.
How about the little thing in my
It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. Not that serious.
Where's your marker?
You ready? Start. Where's your marker? Where's your marker?
Right here.
Okay. Let's start.
This one is
Start with number 1.
This one is
Start with number 1, Kevin.
This one is 2 inches.
Write it. You're gonna write it in that line right there, okay?
I get it now. 2
Mhm.
inches.
2 inches, right?
This one will be.
Write it, Cassidy. I need to see everybody working.
I think the estimate will be 3.
Yep.
Then I'm going to
Do this one.
This one is make my real one and that 8 inches.
I like how you're doing an estimate and you're finding the measurement. That's good.
2 inches. This one is. I think it'll be
9 inches. I like your estimate. I see if it's correct.
This is 3 inches. It's close to 6 or maybe 5
Yes, remember we said if it's past the tick mark, the halfway mark in the middle, is it going to be 5 or 6?
6 inches.
Yes. It's going to be the bigger one if it's past the halfway mark.
Number 4. It's so small. It's 1. 1 inch. This is gonna be 5 is 1 inch.
1 inch.
So it's 4. It's 4.
4. Yes, it's past the tick mark, so it's 4.
I think it will be 8 before. 4. I said 7 inches. It's 7 inches because and I got the bottom one, so from now my mom done 5. It's almost finished. Done. Don't mind that. 5 inches.
Okay, so what? Donnie, ready?
Done.
All right, what did you get for number 1?
I got 2.
2 inches, good. What did you get for number 2?
3.
3 inches. You gotta say 3 inches.
3
You
inches.
gotta say the inches. What did you get for number 3?
6 inches. I got number 3. I got 6.
6 inches, yes. What about number 1?
I got
I mean, number 1. I said number 1. Number 4.
number 1. No,
1 inch, right? What about number 5?
4 inches.
4 inches. What about number 6?
7 inches. 7 inches.
7 inches. Okay. Did everybody get that one? What about number 7?
5 inches.
5 inches. 5 inches. So y'all did pretty good. So are we understanding how we have to sometimes use inches and how we're supposed to use feet sometimes?
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
Estimates.
We did estimates, yes, and I like how you're doing estimates. Good job. All right. Erase. If you're having feet work next, make sure that you go to Miss Jones.
Here. Here you go. Can I put it?
Huh? No, because I have to do it for my next group. I'm going to put it in the things later, okay? Thank you. You're making a guess for the what? What is the estimate for? Estimate is for the what we think the measurement of the object's gonna be, right? So we're gonna do a couple of objects. We're gonna make an estimate. What do you think this estimate of this lotion would be? How many inches do you think it would be?
11.
11? Okay, so write it. You're gonna write this chart right here. I want you to write this chart. Ronson, write this chart. E is for estimate, M is for measurement. 11. You're gonna write 11 IN for inches. I'm gonna do 7. You don't have to do all that, Carmine. What is your estimate for this? For the
My estimate is 8.
8. You write it. 8. What's your estimate?
I think
10. Okay, write it. But you just can't write 10. You just can't write 8. You have to write what unit of measure you're using. What's the unit of measure that we're using? Inches. So you need to write inches. You need to write IN. You just can't put 11.
inches.
So 11 inches. Good. All right. You want to measure it? Stand it up straight like this. Stand it like that. How many inches is it? Wait, does it start at 0?
Ten.
10. Y'all were close. Roxy, you got it right.
Wait, Roxy got it right.
You got 10 inches. But our estimate doesn't have to be always right. No? No, keep it. That was your estimate. You could keep 11. You only were off by 1. So our actual measurement was 10. Good. What about this one? How many inches do we think this would be?
I think that's 7.
7. What do you think?
8.
8. Write it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What do you think, Robson? 9. I want you to measure it, Nathan. I'm gonna put 6. Aubrey, you ready? Hold it straight. Turn it this way. What do you think?
11. No, I mean 6.
6. You got 6 inches. Right, 6 inches. That's the actual measurement. Were y'all close?
Yeah, I was close. I just got 2 off.
Yeah.
I got 3 off.
Good. All right, Carmine. What do you think, guys? What do you think the length of this one is? From here to here.
I think it is 5 inches. 8.
8.
I think it's 5.
Write your estimate. Okay. Whichever one you think it is. I'm gonna go with 8. Carmine, I want you to measure it.
Okay.
No, not this way. This way.
Oh.
Does that change your estimate?
12. It's 10.
10.
Okay.
It's okay if our estimate
I was
is wrong.
close.
You were close? Good.
Yeah, I was just 5. I need to go 5 inches.
I think you were measuring this way, right? Instead of this way. Does that change your measure? Does that change your estimate a little bit? Yeah. It changes your estimate because you thought it was this way. It was this way. Does that change your estimate? Okay. What about the little elephant? So cute.
I think it's 3 inches.
3 inches. What do you think it is? 4. What about you?
2.
2. All right. Write your estimate down. I'm gonna go with Robson. I'm gonna say 2 inches too. What did you say? Okay, write 4.
No, I mean 3.
You gonna write 3? What did you think this was, Carmine?
3.
3? All right. Measure. Robson. Start at the 0. So it should start at 0.
2.
2.
Oh, so close.
So close.
Oh, 1 hard.
Yes.
I got it
Good.
right.
So we know that we can measure in inches, and we can know that we can measure in feet. Show me inches with your fingers. Do it again, Carmine. Show me feet. Please. No, is that feet? Feet. Now show me yard. Yard. Good. What would we use to measure something that's an inch? What would we measure that's an inch?
Marker.
Like a marker. We can see the inches. What else?
Dice.
Dice. What else? Cap. And like an eraser. What about for feet? What would we use? What object would we use?
A calendar.
A calendar. What else?
A board.
A board. Would
A
we use
whiteboard.
A whiteboard. Yeah. Use a whiteboard.
Yeah, whiteboard.
What else?
A pencil.
A pencil. Yeah, it could be about a foot if it's really long. All right. What do we use to measure a yard? What objects would we use? A yard. Remember, is like this.
A table.
A table. We could use a table.
This.
We could use this. Yes. What else?
A window.
The window. What else? TV, right?
Yeah.
What about the door?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wouldn't it be easier to use a yardstick instead of those little inches? Right?
Yeah, and a foot.
Yeah, and a foot because it's bigger, right?
That board.
Okay, so say if I had something and it was like 8, let's say if it was 9 feet and 3 yards. Why would it say that? Because how many, why would it say that? Which one is bigger? The yards or the feet? Which one is bigger? Is the
Yard.
feet bigger or the yards?
Yard.
Yard, because look, let me see your ruler. How many inches?
1 inch.
Not 1 inch. How many inches are in a foot? How many inches? Look at our ruler. How many inches is there?
12.
12. So how many inches is in a foot? Say it.
12 inches.
12 inches. This is 1 foot. How many feet equal 1 yard? Do we know? 3. Yes, 3.
Yeah, we'll go through that.
Yes. So because we have 3 feet, we're gonna use how many? We're gonna use more or less yards, more or less feet to measure something the same size as this. More, right? Because it's what? It's smaller, right? Hello, Addison. All right. So we're gonna watch a quick little video going over inches and feet. All right. Pay attention, Carmine. You don't have to worry about writing anything, Addison. You were doing the thing with Miss Jones. All right. Let's watch this video over.
Measure inches, feet.
Hold on. Okay, ready? Can you see, Carmine? Are you paying attention? Okay.
Fine. Let's do some measuring.
Pay attention,
To
Addison.
measure the
Can you see,
lengths of
Nathan?
lines, you can use a ruler like this one right here. And here's a paper clip. Place it against the ruler. And we see it's about 1 inch long. This hammer right here, put it against the ruler. And it's about 12 inches, which is the same as 1 foot. And this window, it's going to be pretty big. So let's measure it using a yardstick. It's good for measuring things longer than a foot. It looks like it's about 36 inches, which is the same as 3 feet long. And 3 feet is the same as 1 yard.
Remember
So,
we just said that? 3 feet is 1 yard.
you can easily measure in inches, feet, and yards.
Good job. So we know that we can measure with yardstick, in inches, feet, and in yards. Okay? So today we're going to do a quick little worksheet. We're going to measure the inchworms, okay?
Inch.
So let's do the first one. Let's look at this inchworm. Stop drawing, Carmine. Let's look at this big one right here. How many inches do you think this one is?
I think it's 6. That's 6.
Can I measure it? How many inches is it?
6.
6 inches. So you're gonna do this for all 7 of them, okay? Got it? You got your ruler? There you go. Here you go. Here you go. Here's this. I think you can get it done in 4 minutes, don't you? Can you get it done? It's about 4 minutes.
2 inches.
Write it. So you're gonna write your answer in this blank, but don't just write 2. You need to write the number. I mean, you need to write IN or inches so that I know that you're using inches. You just can't leave the number. Here. Thank you.
2 inches.
Don't just write 6 inches. So we know that we're using inches.
1, 2, 3.
3 inches.
Now this
You can write it in the blank here.
3 inches. 1, 2, 3.
Milani, what are you doing, Susie?
Oh,
Do some work. What are you supposed to be doing?
This one is the little one. 1 inches.
Isn't it so cute?
1 inch. So this one. This one's 24.
Yeah. It has a hat on.
4.
If it's 3.5, what are we moving it to? The 3 or the 4? Remember we have the halfway mark?
21.
No, come here. No, not centimeters, Carmine. If it's in the middle and we pass that tick mark, we're moving it to the what? The 4. 4 up to the 4. So not 3.5. You what? 4. So write 4 and 3.5.
Yeah, it's just it went to 3 and halfway to 4.
Yeah, so we passed that the halfway tick. Remember we said if we pass the halfway tick, it's the bigger number, right? So don't put 3.5 to 4. I know you want to be literal. I'm glad that you're doing that. I'm glad that you're recognizing that.
The last one.
The last one. Doesn't it pass that tick mark? The halfway mark?
Yes.
So what would it be?
5 inches.
Again? You got it done in 5 minutes.
I did it.
Alright, so what do we get for number 1?
2.
2 inches.
Yeah.
What about for number 2?
3.
3 what?
3 inches.
3 inches. What about for number 3?
6 inches.
6 inches. What about for number 1?
1 inches.
1 inch. 1 inch. I said 1 inch. What about number 5?
4 inches.
4 inches. I know Carmine was saying that was like 3.5, but when you're passing that halfway tick mark, which number do you go to? The lower number or the bigger number?
Bigger number.
Bigger number. Good job. What about for number 6?
7 inches.
7 inches. And then what about for number 7? 5 inches. Good job. So we're knowing that we have to look at it, line it up, start it at the 0, and then put it at the number that we need it to be, right? And then we also know that if we see something in the middle and it's past that halfway mark, we're going to go to the which number? The bigger or the smaller? Bigger. Bigger number. Good job. All right, erase your board. Oh, here's the sock. I thought I had some out. Here's the sock. You have one? Here, Carmine, erase. Thank you. We did. You missed it. Isn't it so cute?
Yeah, it was like 2 inches long.
It was like 2 inches long. Good job. I need your papers. All right.
Well, it's 2 inches.
The what? It was 2 inches. Yeah. All right, guys. I need my marker back from mine.
This is my
Marker. All right, go to your desk. Yes. Let's make this a smooth transition. If you're on the computer, close your computers up. Get to your desk, sit quietly so that we can get ready for recess. Carmine, please don't forget your ruler. Thank you.